Hello, I'm the painting guy, and today I will show you how to paint some wood as rotten as Daddy Nurgle's beloved parts. No. I started up pretty usually, just doing all the base coats, going on dum, and then hitting everything with a big wash of acrylic surfshade. People always taught you to use the zenithal with a cloudy day from the top. Forget about it this time. I used harsh sunlight, bright, directional, at an angle. Because of this I used the off-white and mixed it really hard in there to get the pale effect of harsh, bright sunlight. You all know this when we are outside and everything is so bright and pale. You kind of lose some saturation. That's what I did with the off-white. I went in there, did multiple layers, and between every layer I glazed on some acrylic surfshade. This brings you the advantage of really gritty, rotten texture, while not letting everything fall apart because the acrylic surfshade pulls it together. For the light to have a real hard impact, I made the back of everything dark. Without darkness, you wouldn't see the light because there would be no contrast. Contrast on small parts looks really confusing, so you need to have large bright areas, but also large dark areas. As a last detail on my brush, I got my good sable brush to get really thin, bright highlights. Specular highlights, micro scratches and everything like that to give it really the rest of a